Okay, hello, welcome back to my channel. Well, I did some mowing, got stuck a couple times. She had to pull me out with the piece, yeah, she had to pull me out twice. And our doggy, she followed us a lot of places. Oh, that would have been bad to get that in a tire. That's my shock for when I did my tires. Somebody didn't throw that piece away. Huh. Anyway, well, and then our doggy. And then our lovely mower, I had to clean off a little bit because, I mean, it was just covered in mud. Really, really bad spot. And our kitty cat is pregnant. So, she is having babies. Little kittens, babies, sooner or later. She hasn't had them yet, so she's good toys, yeah. Yeah, let me feel, let me feel. Stay still.
You ain't gonna stay still.
And we're getting ready to put the parts on this dryer, since we've got more parts that my father has bought. Where's that box at?
She's dropping more and more.
Yeah. So we've already replaced this. This piece has already been replaced. We just have to put it all back together, test it out, make sure it works right. And then the owner of this one wants to buy a new piece of this, so I'm gonna have to get this one figured out and get one lined up to order, to get it ready to get ordered, and then make sure I have everything lined out. I got to get 2 more top pieces here for it to slide on, since it seems like it's wanting to rub on this too, so I gotta get the other 2 pieces in here too. I'm wondering if I need to put the 2 white ones on top, and it might make it a little bit different, but this piece is new, this bottom piece is new. This is a different drum because the other drum was all messed up. And then so I have to, calculate everything in, plus the new piece that they want. Plus I've been trying to figure out what's wrong with the wash machine too, and I am kind of guessing it is a switch problem, but I gotta do some more test runs on it, and just to make sure it is the switch. But what I'm reading on the thing, it might be the switch here on this thing, but I mean, I will have to do a little bit more test runs. Well, this switch ain't working. I don't know where it's at on that one. It's not triggering like I thought it would, unless it's, there can't be a top one then. So it's gotta be one of them side ones in there, but I will figure that one out too. And then I've changed shocks on this one. Gotta get this one cleaned up a little bit more before I decide to sell it. But yeah, busy. Hey, this FedEx flying down the highway like crazy. And then we're still got the bed up here that's hanging here that we still need to do some work on it and get it painted. We really need to get this painted and primered before we put it on the truck and everything, and get some of the bottom fixed up and everything before we get it on the truck. And then we've got the tractor here. We've got to get some more water in it, and then our painting project didn't go very well as we figured, or as I figured, because the birds have figured out it's not the blue sky. So now they're, on the places that we've already painted blue at the house. So I don't know what we're going to do about that now. But we're going to try to get everything done with the dryer here. My father did buy extra pieces for it. So, I mean, I bought one of these already, or replaced it again. This is the replacement one. And then my dad bought the whole kit here. He's got 2 kits and then another one of these. So, I mean, it's definitely interesting that we have so many now. So, yeah. Hi, kitty, kitty. I mean, he wanted to get all the rollers just by itself, but they don't have just packs by himself for this model. So we got everything for the rollers to redo the rollers, and got another belt, and then we have another set, you know, in case one of the rollers messed up again, I guess. But I mean, that's what we're going to try to do here pretty soon, to take it apart and put the rollers on it. So that's another project that we're getting ready to do. It's just so crazy anymore. I mean, we've got so much stuff to do. Plus, you know, doing the plant stuff, mowing and taking care of stuff at our house, and kids, and yeah. She's putting more water out for the kitty. So, I am in the process of, let's see. So the last video you see me having it up and then, you know, looking at it and everything. So this is what the, you know, the back piece of it looks like here. I've got it all tore apart on the back side. We can go ahead and take off the front. So I gotta get all that taken back off again, and then so we can get all these rollers replaced, front and back. So we're gonna get all that redone again, and then if I got another piece of that, but I mean, it'd be nice if one of them come with a screw, but I don't think one of them come with a screw or not. I don't think it did it? Well, that one didn't. That pack didn't. I don't think that pack did either. And that pack didn't either come with a screw for that piece. But here's the name of it. Parts kit. So that is what we're going to be putting on here pretty soon. And then told you about this one. This one's pretty much, you know, done, because this is the other piece that we got on it for it. So we need to put it all back together and then test run it and make sure that's one little piece right here in the middle, the little black little rubber piece, is not going to come up. And you know, if it does, then we have to get another one, and it's just a pain in the butt to have to replace these daggum things. But I mean, hopefully I can get all this stuff done and get it out of the way, because I know I've got 3 or 4 vehicles that I need to get oil changed on. We need to get the lawnmowers in here too, so we can get oil changes on them. So yeah, belly rub.
Are we done?
Alright, well, I'm going to, I don't know if I think I brought it though. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a moment and see if I got my tripod for my phone, so I can do some recording when we take all this stuff off and show you guys step by step. But I will be right back. Okay, I think I got all the tools gathered up. Let's get started here. Taking things forward. Alright, instead of somebody helping, she's got the cat. laying on her and babying the cat instead of helping. Now you gonna let mommy come over here and help?
Said no.
Yeah, I noticed that. Okay, get on the table. Go night night up there. You wanna come down here? Come on. Come on.
I thought she was a male cat. Huh?
Why?
I thought she was a male cat.
Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on.
You gotta be joking.
Come on.
Come
Come on. Come on. Nope. Well, I guess I'll be doing some of this by myself. Oh. Alright. I gotta take 2 Phillips head screwdrivers out. This one, and then pop this up and get some of the back stuff done. Yeah? You always need to come help. Do I have a Phillips screwdriver? No, I do not. You got me a Phillips screwdriver. I don't have one over here. I thought I did.
I know. She's making me leave you.
Yeah, I mean, we gotta get this stuff done. It's sitting around so much.
No, you put it back.
Oh. I don't remember putting it back, but okay.
Dad put it back. You put it back. Somebody put it back. I don't know if this is the right size. No, this ain't the right size for it.
It's the one down on the very bottom. That's it. Goes down there.
It's a little bit littler. No,
You wanna find me a metal pen? Put these screws in.
I know. He's making you.
There's that.
I know. Look, she's trying to hide your belly.
Yeah.
That big deal. Look, you took my screwdriver, didn't you?
Well, yeah. Down there on that where the camera is at.
And so I'm not getting the fingernail done today, right?
No. There's too much stuff to do right here.
Do you want me to take that one off?
I'm talking about stuff here. No, that's good enough there. Right, but I do need
Here she comes. I'd flip that if you just.
of course, that's not so bad.
I thought we had one over here. Oh, can you roll back over? And look, something in the night. over here.
Makes it a whole lot harder. So I guess I just need to start bringing my tools in. I know where all my tools are at in the toolbox.
You don't have the yellow one?
No, I don't know how scrap it is. You don't get put back where it needs to be. If you did it this time it did. If I had my drill, I'd already be done by now.
No, that's just what I took.
This bird's on top. Got what been into it too.
Can't remember.
Oh, pain in the butt. Why is it a pain in the butt this time around again, huh?
It's not racing, is it?
You're just looking around like a goofball. Don't push it back my way.
Push it back your way?
No.
Try to push it back your way.
Won't wear notice now. You're gonna have to be out of the way though. Maybe in 4 wheels I see him better.
Mm-hmm. You move right along. Oh. You told me not to take that one
Yeah, I didn't think that one was. I don't remember taking that one out last time. I guess we did. So much stuff. That one. There we go. Is the door off now? Good. That wasn't too hard, not too bad. Alright, now, undo this thing here. Where you going? Yeah, I noticed. Can't see what I'm doing. Since my helper went away.
I ran away.
Gotta wait for you to come over here.
Oh, she think I beat you.
Really soon.
That's why she's stuffing it hard.
Mm-hmm. There's that piece.
What's the other piece we had?
No? Yeah?
Yeah. Red.
Right on. Don't climb up my leg. Oh, yeah. Hey. What? Yep.
Yeah, I seen them.
It might be today. You might go in labor tonight.
Tonight when nobody's here.
Yep. on the way though.
Hang on, bud.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I'm too big to go in there.
No, you don't need to go in there.
I'm just saying she's too big to go in there.
It's a long one I have. What was that in my?
That's in your toolbox. That ain't in my toolbox.
So the small one is just useful.
No, you don't want to come back, water back over here? No, you want water back over here? I used to fit in there.
Well, I used to fit in the hole. Now I know I fit in the hole.
Can't fit in the hole no more.
Why? Hey, you gonna go down there and get that bottle screw for me?
She can't get in the hole.
No, there's a screw right here somewhere. You wanna go get that screw for me? Where's that screw? Oh, it might be this one here.
Belly rub?
No, I can't get your belly rub right now.
Belly rub? You just want him to belly rub you, don't you?
Might get ready to go on labor pretty soon. I think I got it all on down. Alright, here.
Then you got it under.
Take up this a little bit. Alright. Let's slide the other way.
Hey.
Yep.
So I'm gonna clog the crap out of you now. Slide me out now. Get back over here.
Alright.
Ow!
Alright.
Alright. I gotta walk over there and get the... I can't breathe.
Alright. We have 3 rollers on this side right here, 3 ones on this one, and 3 ones on the back side that we will get to too. So. You know what we forgot too? Our lubrication. We don't have our toolbox to lubricate them. So there's no point in putting them on.
No, because we don't have that.
That's why I need to put it in my dang gum truck.
Oh, we can put all of it.
Yeah. But we will still go ahead and take them all off. Show the process of taking them off and then taking the ones off on the back side too. So we can do that here.
And then tomorrow.
Hopefully tomorrow we will remember them.
If we don't have nothing to do.
Yeah. I mean, we still got a lot of mowing to do too.
Yeah, that means I need to get touching and ready to get that.
Yeah, but I want her to know that we were damn drunk. Just kind of hook her there while we go, do our mowing and stuff. 'Cause I don't want her to know that there's dogs around, and especially male dogs.
Male dog when she ain't fixed. I wonder if anybody wants a kitty cat when she has it.
Hey, you want to grab the camera for me?
No.
Alright, there is 2 plastic pieces on these. One in the front, one in the back. And since it's been wore out so much, it's kind of easy to do these, but not the very back ones. You get them in a certain spot. And yeah, it's gonna go around and around and around on me. Like that one there. Spin it around a little bit.
Hey, got a close up of it.
There's that one. I can poke myself too.
I would have got that on camera.
Yeah.
Midnight, where are you at?
How much is mine?
What are you doing?
Right behind there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
Perfect
now
view right
next
there.
one. Yeah, kind of down a little bit there. And now this one. That scared me.
You scared me too.
I thought it was gonna fall.
I thought you
Alright, there's that one off.
were. Yes, my big girl. Okay. Come here. Come here, my love. Don't knock the camera over. Come on, Mama. Come here. You're being way lovable. Why is that? I would still love you. I still love you. Yeah, you say doggy. She's dreaming right now. You gonna lay down? Come on, Midnight. You lay down? I feel kitty's kicking me.
She might go live with him any time now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Alright, we got all the front part done now. Now we set this out of the way. Set this over here where it won't wet if it rains. What? Okay, take the drum out of it now.
that out for? Why? Just because I quit doing this. That's probably wrong. What? It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Call from Gray Pollock.
Hello. Hello. I don't know. With what? There ain't nothing I can do. Where's Paula? Oh, I don't know. Messed it up, didn't you?
Yep.
Dryer. No. No, no, no. I'm getting that. Dryer.
Okay, go.
Midnight, come on.
Go lay down.
He was here for a little bit.
Lay down.
He was here for a little bit. No, it's that. Oh no, that was May.
Yeah, it's in May.
Yeah.
Easy. Stop.
Because I thought it was now. But it ain't until May.
Relax.
I'm not losing money.
Money for what?
I said they're not afraid that it comes out because of pictures. Propaganda pictures.
When?
Supposed to be a good win. They're taking them tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, I'll let you go. Bye. Alright. Bye. Are you being mean?
He's feeling like polish. That was there. He's not even using it back there.
Call from Ray Pollock.
Oh, it's messed up, so. I'll be right back. Okay, back to the video again. Hopefully this works. Oh, now you want to be in the camera too? What are you doing? Hi, yes. Really, Dad. Woo, you've been enrolling in something dead. Ah, Sheba.
Sheba,
Ah. Oh, outside. Go lay down. Go. Go lay down. Go lay down. No, go lay down. No, go lay down. That was nasty. Well, that one is definitely going to have to be replaced. 'Cause that one is definitely messed up.
Oh, she's thinking you're home for us. Sheba. You tanky girl.
Stop. Go. No, come on, go. Go lay down. Go back and lay down. No, what? Yes, I see you. Go lay down there. Go lay down. No. There. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. You gonna go down, lay down?
Our tanky girl. I need to
There.
go.
Okay, we got all that off there, but unfortunately, when we was trying to get one of these off, we kind of messed this one up a little bit, so this one will have to be replaced. But other than that, all of them else is pretty good. And then I don't have the lubrication with me that is in my other toolbox and my laser. So I'm gonna have to get that tomorrow. Hopefully we can get this put back together tomorrow. But I'm not for sure. I think Dad might want to paint, but we'll have to see on that one. But other than that, we've got all of them off. And we have to take that one off. Now these are a pain to get off of these. Very. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Everyone have a good day and a good night. And we all see you later. Have a good day. Hey everyone. Make sure you turn the notifications on. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.